Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Balázs. I am the CEO and co-founder at Shapemaker. In this video, I would like to show you that what Shapemaker can do for smart cities. In a nutshell, Shapemaker is a software platform, software as a service platform. We are automating civil engineering designs for telecom towers and masts. Basically, we are automating the whole structure engineering process of a telecom structure. And it can be lattice towers like self-support in this screen, also monopoles, and then we are currently implementing guide mast as well, so they are coming very soon into our platform. Beside the ground-based sort of towers and masts, we will be moving our focus towards rooftops, and this is the first sort of selection of rooftop structure types what we will be able to support, and which is very interesting in dense cities and 5G densification, we believe. And when it comes to IoT and the structure analysis, we have a very interesting use case where basically we have deployed sensors on telecom structures like tilt sensors and also wind anemometers, and based on those data what we are collecting from the sites, we are able to compare results from the real life and compare to the structure analysis, the finite element analysis what we were running in our platform, and encountering a site-specific assessment like topography and wind speed and wind direction, like you just seen in the screen. And based on those events, we are able to detect kind of deviations from let's say normal behavior, what we are expecting from that structure, what we were running at the first place, and we are able to do this in a batch mode in hundreds or thousands of structures at the same time, since we are a cloud-based software, and we are able to run this analysis in a certain intervals, in even every 10 minutes, or based on certain wind events, and we can detect deviations based on the real life happening or real life event, and compared to the structural models. So that we can predict failures or flooding or just occupation on a tower which happened without knowing what type of antennas or maybe just bird's nest happened on the tower, increasing the wind drag. So we are able to detect those kind of anomalies, and that can help in a lot of situations. We are moving our visualization as well, and especially in cities and rooftop structures, toward a kind of digital twin, which will visualize also a kind of surroundings. So we bring our models into basically to the real city or a close approximation of that city based on different maps, and that we believe that it will help in operations and visualization of certain structures. We are also focusing on some smaller structures, since in rooftops and type of mounts, it's the structures are somewhat much smaller than telecom towers and for example a guide mast, and then we are working on a kind of computational model where basically you can set up your very small structures, even a wall mount, and you can model different telecom structures within basically seconds or minutes, just sliding or moving some sliders basically in a user interface. And at the end of the day, all of the process, when we are running all of this analysis, it just produces a beautiful report. We have short reports where we just give a thumbs up, or if everything is green, or if something is failing, or we can give an academic level PDF report in all type of details, velocity, pressures on structures, and all these things. And also we can provide a dashboard where we can show hundreds or the thousands of towers in the portfolio, where the towers are passing or failing, or how they perform in utilization or rest capacity. So that was a short intro of Shapemaker, what we can do, and please feel free to reach out to us so we can give you more information if needed. Thank you so much. Goodbye.